Hello and welcome to Technical Utkranti, and today we are going to look at the question called determine a loop in the linked list. This question is very simple but quite popular also. So let's look at the thought for the day and let's move on. And these are the questions that we have done under linked lists, and let's get on understanding with the question. So we are given the head of the linked list. So this is the head. Sorry, I didn't mark it over here, but this is the head of the linked list. And if there is a loop in the linked list, which means that some other node in the future is again pointing to the head of the linked list, in that case, it forms a cycle. And if such a cycle exists, then return true or else return false. But before moving on, I recommend you to practice the question for yourself. The link is given in the description below, and then move on to understanding the solution. So in the previous videos, I have explained the tortoise hare algorithm, right? Tortoise means which moves slowly, and hare means the one which moves fastly. So this algorithm is this approach is very important to remember because it is used in solving a lot of questions. So what will happen? Both slow or fast, or you can say tortoise or hare pointer, anything you can take. So let's assume I take slow and fast pointers at the head of the linked list. Now slow moves one step and fast moves two steps. Slow moves another step over here and fast comes over here. Then slow comes over here and fast comes over here. Then slow comes over here and fast goes over here. And then slow comes over here and fast comes also over here. So in a loop, from wherever the slow and fast pointers have started, they will again meet over there if there is a loop. Otherwise, they will not meet and the linked list would end. So this is the fact that we would be using to code the solution for this problem. All right. So this is the linked list class where I have written the solution to all the questions, and this is the hash cycle method in the linked list class. What I'm doing is I'm creating two pointers, and then until the linked list has ended, right? Since the fast would jump the two steps, so I will just see that whether the next to the current pointer and the next to the next pointer of the current pointer are still alive, I mean they have not ended, then it will take jump and see if they are equal, return true, otherwise return false. All right, so this is very simple algorithm, and let's see how I have created the scenario for this. So I have just created a linked list. Right now there are no loops present. I'll just see whether it has cycle or not. Then I will link the tail points to the last node of the linked list, and if I link the last nodes next to the head of the linked list, then I'll have a cycle, and then again I'll see whether the linked list which I have introduced the cycle right now has a cycle or not. So let's see what do we get. So I'm getting false for the first execution and true for the second execution as expected. So I hope you understood the question, the approach to solving the question, and also the code. And if you did find anything of value, do hit a like button and subscribe to my channel, as it would motivate me to continue making these videos. Thank you. Bye bye.